Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have two different job updates. So the first company, it is PayPal of Campus is hiring, and the second one, it is Zebra Technologies of Campus is hiring. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for this particular job roles. So the first company, that is PayPal of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring is for machine learning engineer, and the salary or the CTC, so 8+ lakhs per annum, and the work location is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the degree in either engineering or computer science, statistics or mathematics with the strong technical background in machine learning, so they are eligible to apply. And the experience needed, so 2+ years of experience is needed with problem solving using machine learning. So you need to have hands-on experience with machine learning and Python programming to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the skills or the tech stack which are needed to apply for this particular job role, so you need to have hands-on experience with Python or Java programming and knowledge on technologies such as it can be Spark, Hadoop, BigQuery as well as SQL. And you need to have depth knowledge on machine learning algorithms and various artificial intelligence methods and NLP, that is natural language processing. And apart from that, you need to have experience with cloud frameworks like it can be Google Cloud Platform, that is GCP, or AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. So these are the overall tech stack which are needed to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the selection process, so the first one, so it will be online application, and second one resume screening, and the third one, so there will be phone call interview in which your communication skills are tested. So based on that, they'll invite you for the assessment. So there will be assessment round, and once you clear the online assessment, so there will be interviews. So there will be 1 to 2 technical interviews, and based on that, so once you clear the technical interview, so you'll be invited for the presentation or the portfolio review in which you are going to present your work, like if you have done any of the projects or anything, so you need to give the presentation on the work, like whatever you have done. And the last one will be the panel interview, that is HR interview. So these are the rounds included in the selection process for the PayPal. So then coming to the application link, so first step is you need to upload your updated resume and you can fill your personal details. And then like there are few questions like how did you hear about this job role, and you can mention social media. And then after that there will be few voluntary disclosure questions, so go thoroughly and you can just answer those questions. And there will be few application questions in which you need to answer that, and lastly you need to agree the 2 terms and conditions, and you can just submit the application form for the PayPal. So this was all about the first company, that is PayPal, and the second one, that is Zebra Technologies of Campus is hiring, and the role they are hiring is for software engineer 1, and the salary or the CTC, so they are providing 10 lakhs per annum, and the work location, it is Bangalore. So then coming to the eligibility criteria for this particular job role, so the degree required, so it is for bachelor's degree either in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication. So any streams are eligible to apply for this particular job role. And the batch eligible, so either recent batches or previously passed out graduates are eligible to apply for this particular job. And the experience, so 0 to 2 years of experience is needed to apply for this particular job role. So then coming to the different job responsibilities, so you need to work on completing all the phases of software engineering design projects, and one should develop the documentation for new projects, and you need to review the previous results, and you need to have knowledge on latest technologies and have to approach that problem statement, and one should review the changes, and you need to upgrade the existing design and perform unit testing. And the last thing is that you need to have excellent communication skills to apply for this particular job role. So coming to the selection process, there are 3 different rounds. So the first one, it will be telescreen, in which there will be remote interview via Google Meet, and the second one will be the technical interview, so it can be on-site or it can be remote interview, and the third will be non-technical interview, that is HR or general discussion. So these are the rounds included in the selection process. So previously there will be assessment. So these are the 3 interviews so which will be conducted. So coming to the application link, so like you need to upload your updated resume and you need to fill your personal information and some of the voluntary self-identification. You need to answer those questions, and lastly you can just submit the application form. So the link for both of these company, that is PayPal as well as Zebra Technology, so it will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job roles. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.